Ever wonder how you can transform your short hair with just a stroke of color? Embrace the ombre effect and redefine your style. An ombre short haircut brings chic contrasts and a fresh vibe to your look. The Ombre Bob offers vibrancy and dimension with each stylish move. Combine edge with color play thanks to the Ombre Pixie Cut. The Ombre Undercut highlights its striking contours with playful colors. Ombre curls create dynamic elegance and amplified volume for short hair. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.